Hi guys, if you got $1,000 and want a gaming PC you can actually build right now, I've got the blueprint. Most recommendations within this price range are being pushed onto AM4 and DDR4 just to fit that budget, but this one will keep you on current hardware. Now, we are making a couple of compromises here and there, but I'll show you exactly why they're worth it. All of these parts are brand new and I'll leave their links in the description down below for your convenience. With that being said, let's jump right into the build. Starting us off, we have the Ryzen 5 9600X. This is a really good gaming CPU with great single core performance, able to handle any GPU on the market right now. The $214 price tag on it is very normal for this CPU, but what makes this a deal is that it comes with a free MSI 240mm AIO, saving us a little bit of money on our CPU cooler. Now, do stick around until the end because I have another CPU option that can further maximize our budget. Now to the deal that makes this build possible, a motherboard RAM combo that comes in at $200. We are also running into our first compromise. The RAM is 16 gigabytes, not 32. I'm okay with this because it puts us on the AM5 platform right away. You still be able to play every single game, and upgrading down the line is way simpler by just replacing the kit of RAM versus rebuilding an entire platform. Moving on to our second compromise of the build, we are using 512 gigabytes of storage instead of 1 terabyte. You can argue that I'm doing this to fit the budget, but again, this gets you gaming right away, and later on you don't have to upgrade, you can just add more storage onto the system. As you can see, for the power supply, we're going to go with the Raymax Cobra 650 watts. It's 80 plus gold certified, ATX 3.1 ready, and rated C on the PSU tier list. And at $40 is a great pickup, able to handle our system and GPU of choice without any issues. Besides, it's highly recommended by a lot of people for builds within this price range. When it came to the case, I ended up choosing this Thermaltake one here for $55. But my recommendation here is simple. Keep it under $60, make sure that it comes with fans included, make sure that it supports micro ATX motherboards, and make sure that it supports the 240mm AIO that will come with the CPU if you in fact end up going that route. Besides that, there is really not much to it. Just choose whichever one you like and make sure that it has all of the features needed for the build. Finally, the GPU, the RX 9060 XT 16 gigabytes. Personally, I really like this GPU. I think it's very decent and it's able to handle 1440p as well. Just make sure that you don't spend over $400 on it. Well, guys, there you have it. That's our entire build. And as you can see, it's coming in at $970 before taxes. This is what you can get right now on Newegg as of January 25 of 2026. Just keep in mind that these deals and prices might vary moving forward, but if you're in the hunt, I will jump on this right now. There is another way that we can further maximize our budget, and that's if we choose the Ryzen 5 7500F, which is around $135 right now. Just keep in mind that we will have to spend around $20 to $25 on a CPU cooler because this one doesn't count with one. At that point, our price will be around $930, giving us two options really. We either upgrade our storage to a full 1 terabyte, or we use the remainder towards our total pricing after taxes. But my recommendation is to keep the 9600X, is the better chip, and we won't feel the need to upgrade anytime soon. If I was able to help you in any way, do let me know in the comments down below and consider subscribing. Now, if we can get 1,000 likes within 2 weeks, February 8th of 2026 will be the cutoff date. I will buy these exact parts regardless of price and send it to one of you guys completely for free. Furthermore, if we get 2,000 likes within that same period, I will upgrade the RAM to a 32 gigabyte kit. Until next time, happy gaming!